Hey folks, welcome back to another video on the Newton School at Camp channel. My name is Harsh and I am currently working as a Flutter developer at Alihoop, and I have worked as an intern at Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Apart from that, I have also worked as a Flutter developer intern at a firm named AppScript. I am also an educator and instructor on Udemy and Nutanix, where my Flutter development courses have more than 40,000 plus enrollments, so you can check them out as well. Talking about what Newton School is, so basically Newton School is a platform that helps you to learn and develop the skills that you need for your best tech career. They have courses specifically designed for freshers, working professionals, and for women with no prior experience in tech. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and helps you become a full stack developer. They also have a network of 300 plus great companies who hire directly from Newton School. So once your training is complete, they ensure that you are placed with one of the best companies in the country. They also have a pay after placement program where you don't have to pay anything to Newton School until and unless you are placed with a minimum CTC of 5 lakh rupees per annum, and that is a pretty great thing. They also have another amazing initiative known as Launchpad, where you are provided with some of the courses for free of cost. You can check out those courses, learn from them, and develop the skills along with getting a certificate of completion as well. So make sure to check out Newton School and Launchpad through the link given in the description. This video is not going to be a normal Flutter development video, but something different and interesting. Till now, in all the tutorial videos which I have taught, I have told you how you can create different components, widgets, apps, etc. with Flutter with ease. But in this video, I will be telling you about 5 different tools or no-code solutions which you can use to develop your apps quickly and effectively, along with a bonus tool which you can use if you have knowledge about logic building and coding in general. So without wasting any more time, let's jump directly to the video. The first tool on the list is Adalo. This is a tool that allows you to create apps from building blocks. It provides reusable components that you can use to compose the interface of your app. You can choose between lists, forms, navigations, menus, buttons, in short everything you need to create your UI. After that, you can set up dynamic actions that will allow you to bring your app to life. You can create link between pages, insert push notifications, create login for authentication, integrate Zapier, and much more. Finally, you can create your database and connect it to your app, thus making your project real and running. Adalo has also created a component marketplace that collects components made by third-party developers that can be used comfortably in your no-code app. React Native developers can participate in creating numerous components for both market and personal use. On their website, you will be finding numerous examples of apps that are created with Adalo. It is possible to try Adalo thanks to the free plan, but with some limitations. Otherwise, Pro and business options are available with many more features. The next on the list is Flutter Flow, which is an online no-code platform that allows you to easily create your app visually. Flutter Flow supports the integration of Firebase, the platforms created by Google for the development of mobile and desktop applications. Thanks to an intuitive builder, you can quickly create the interface of your native apps with drag and drop functionality. Your design will be transformed into a clean Flutter code ready to be exported and edited at the will. Furthermore, it is possible to integrate third-party services such as Algolia and CodeMagic, which allows you to enhance your no-code app development. Flutter Flow free plan has some limitations, but for taking experience, you can check it out at any time. The next on the list is Kodika, which is another no-code tool that allows you to create iOS apps directly from iPad. Kodika is a drag and drop app builder that allows you to compose an iOS app without necessarily having the code skills. You can create your app simply by dragging and dropping the block of codes. With Kodika, you can create responsive designs using pins and constraints, reuse your components, convert elements into an interactive items, and any Apple UI design native app is supported. The choice to create a no-code app tool on the iPad is given by the desire to allow the user to see how the app will look in a live preview in a real iOS simulator. Currently, in addition to the iPad version, there are also free versions for macOS available on Kodika, which you can check out anytime. The next tool on the list is Zero Code, which is spelled as ZeroQode and not CODE. which provides everything you need to build web and mobile apps quickly and without necessarily knowing the code development. The platform currently offers over 100 app templates to start with and then modify as needed. The templates are created by the full stack developers and are divided according to the area of interest, such as education, food, and entertainment. And these are a useful starting points for founders, designers, or developers who want to see their idea grow in a short time. In addition to the templates, Zero Code provides plugins and Block for Bubble, which is a powerful code-free platform for building web apps. It also offers you the ability to convert your web app into a native Android app or an iOS app in 24 hours. On the website, you will also find sections dedicated to learning the different courses to learn how to build the products without code. In short, many resources to start your code-free journey in the best possible way. The prices of the app templates are specified on the website and differ based on the app and the type of the license that you choose to purchase. Next up, we have V.One, which is a platform that allows you to easily create an application thanks to the drag and drop builder. This tool won the Product Hunt 2020 Golden Kitty Awards as the best no-code tool thanks to its ease of using and making it accessible to everyone. V.One provides multiple templates and predefined templates that you can use to compose your app. Once the user interface is created, you can easily connect your data and you are ready to publish your apps in the App Store or Play Store. V.One also helps you to integrate various useful tools such as Airtable, Stripe, Zapier, and it can also convert your Webflow e-commerce into a native app for iOS and for Android. What to note is that you will be the owner of your code. You can then download it and use it however you want. V.One is a tool which is born recently and new updates will be certainly be made in the upcoming months. If you are still not convinced to buy one of their plans, you can request access to their platform by signing up the waiting list. Coming towards the bonus tool, we have Thunkable, which is also called a no-code editor and allows you to develop the app in a drag and drop way. But for building complex apps with Thunkable, you will be needing some logic building, which sometimes takes time. But if you master it, then there is no going back. So these were my top 5 picks which you can use for creating your app without code. There are more options available in the market which you can use or which you can try to create your app without code, but they are either not providing you with enough options or they are costly to use. Hope you got to learn something new from this video and you will be using some of these solutions which I mentioned for creating your apps. If you know of any more options which people could use, then make sure to comment them down below. If you like my work, then make sure to like this video and show us your support. Apart from that, share this video with the people in your community so that they can also get benefited from this. Subscribe to the channel to get all the latest updates related to the development videos which are posted on this channel. I personally make videos related to Flutter and some generic topics to help you learn and grow in your development journey. And make sure to check out Newton School and Launchpad through the link given in the description. They are doing amazing work, so make sure to give them a try as well. And this was pretty much it for this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one.